Hello, my name is Jazmin Osborne and I am the organiser, I suppose you could say, for the primary campus for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So I'm doing all the choreography and costumes, organising all that for the primary kids. So the last time the primary campus was involved was when we did The Little Mermaid and we had prep to grade 6. But this time we've just got a small selection of kids from grade 4 to 6. So the primary kids are going to be dancing and singing in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. They get to open the show, which is really exciting, doing some dancing in Candyman. They'll get to be real life Candy during Pure Imagination, and they're just a part of all the children that come along to see the Chocolate Factory opening. So the audition process was pretty big. We had over 90 kids come to audition to want to be a part of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, but due to numbers and fitting everyone on stage, we could only have 20 kids. So they had to do a little bit of a dance, a little bit of a sing, and then choose from those 90 children. So the rehearsals that we've been doing have been going for quite some time now, but also pretty compact. We have to get a lot done in a short amount of time. The children have worked so hard. We've been practicing with the senior kids. We're going to be practicing with the orchestra this afternoon, running through all the dances, all the music, and making sure everything is perfect. So the children are really excited to get onto the stage at Hotter. For some of them, it will be their first performance ever on a big stage in front of a big audience. So they're really excited to get out there, put on a costume, and just perform and have fun.